Hey guys, Alisha here. This video is going to be about how to make your own SVGs. You can do this for personal use, or if you're wanting to sell them on Etsy, whatever it is you're wanting to do, I'm going to show you how to make just a simple design, only because if I made a really big, large design, this video would be 2 hours long, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you how to make an easy design. Now, I have done videos on this in the past, but I have so many videos and I have gained so many new subscribers that people are starting to ask questions, and most likely there's usually a video already on that topic. You can always go to my playlists right here, and this I have everything organized into categories. So if you ever want to know how to do something, you can always, visit my playlists and try to find that. Also, if you have not yet joined my Facebook group, you can find it on Facebook by searching under groups. It's called Etsy Passive Income. Make sure you answer the 2 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. We would love to have you. It's very active. Great place for your questions. You get a lot more detail there than you probably will in the comment section of my videos. So I use what's called iPicky.com. And the reason I love it so much is not only is it a photo editor, it's also a graphic designer, and it's a user-friendly one. And the reason that I started this channel, and I'm going back, okay, because I'm trying to incorporate some of my older videos and redoing them, as well as doing newer videos. So I'm going to kind of throw in an oldie every once in a while, which is what this video is about today. So the reason I started this channel is because I wanted to teach people that you can make money online, and you don't have to use expensive software like Photoshop, Illustrator. Not everybody can afford those programs, and not everybody wants to take the time to learn them. So I prefer to use user-friendly and teach it user-friendly and also budget-friendly. So you can get on iPicky.com. You want to make sure you sign up for an account. And so we're going to click here on Create a Design. From here, you have the option to choose your template size. But considering that I'm not actually making something that's wall art, that I need it to be 24 by 36 or 11 by 14 or something like that, this is an SVG that I'm making, so I'm not really concerned about the size. And that I will explain later, because you can resize that in Cricut Design Space. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to add a little peace sign here. And once again, guys, I am making something very simple here just to show you how to do this. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is add some text. And up here, I'm going to put peace. And then I'm going to add some more text. And I'm going to put love. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to change my font, and I want to position these, how I would like to position them. So is how you're going to change your font is you're going to go over here to your text. Now, there are 2 tabs. One that says online, and these are all the fonts that come with iPicky.com. If you click on local, this is pretty much any font that you have ever downloaded is going to show up here. And that's where I always like to go. So I always pause the video while I am choosing a font. So give me just a second. So I chose my font, and I chose sort of like a font that kind of looks sort of hippie, back in the 60s type font, because I wanted it to go along with the peace sign. So now we just need to make sure that we organize this how we actually want it to be. So I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger, and I am going to make this bigger as well. Now, I am really good about eyeballing things. A lot of people don't like to do that. They want to center things. Unfortunately, there is not a way to actually get something centered perfectly on iPicky.com. But once again, I'm really good at just kind of eyeballing. So we're just playing around with this right now, just trying to get it exactly how we want it to be. This is just a very simple design. Also, if you want, like if you have two different pieces of text, you can check the size right here. This one says 92, this one says 98. So if we want, we can take this down to 92 and hit enter, and then now both are exactly the same size. Okay, so right now is what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually export this to the editor, and the only reason I'm doing that, you don't necessarily have to do this step. I'm going to crop this down just a little bit. And I'm going to click apply. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this to my desktop. And you want to make sure that you save this as a JPEG. And I have many folders on my desktop, but when I'm doing videos, I do save them to my desktop just so I can go back and I can easily find them again. Okay, so there are many online converters online that you can use. I personally use this one. It's called Convertio, and I really like it because it's very simple to do. Okay, I mean, you just literally convert it. So I'm going to start with converting one. It's telling me I have 0 files right now. I haven't used this in a while. So I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to go back and find the design that we just created. Okay, it automatically defaults right here to turn it into an SVG, but you have many other options here that you can convert this to. We're not going to focus on that right now. We are going to go ahead and convert this to an SVG. What that's going to do, it's going to give you a link. Now, you can sell a link on Etsy. You can put that in there. I've purchased them before, I have sold them before, so you can do that. Okay, so now that we have that, I am going to go ahead and download this, and I'm going to pull it up, and here's what it's going to look like. It's in black. Now, SVGs are in black and white, and the reason why is that when people upload those to their vinyl cutting software, they are going to choose the color of vinyl that they want to cut that out on. Okay, so just to show you that this link actually works, I'm going to highlight this, and you can either hit Control-C to copy, or you can highlight it and just hit copy. I'm now going to jump over to Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to upload, and I'm going to upload an image. And right here, you're going to click on Browse. And right here, we're going to paste. You can hit Control-V to paste it, or you can right-click and click Paste. And we're going to click Open. And here is our design. So we're going to go ahead and save this. Okay. And just to show you how this does work, I am going to go back to new. I'm going to upload. And it's telling me recently uploaded images. So I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to click insert. And here we go. So here it is. Now, if you notice over here on the right, everything over here is completely separate. Now, we can either choose to weld this together, but you really don't want that because somebody might want the word peace and love in different colors or the peace sign in a different color. So that's why it does it this way. But once they do change the color, all you have to do is highlight this and click weld. Once you click weld, it turns this into one file. So that's how you do that. I hope this video was helpful to you. Once again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification because you don't want to miss out on any future videos about making money online. Also, don't forget to hop over to my Facebook group. It's called Etsy Passive Income. It's very active and it's also very helpful. So anyway, if you have any questions, you can either leave them in the comment section below or head on over to my group and we'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.